Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to copy a link from someone's post on Mastodon. For example, let's swipe up to select some post that we want to copy the link to. For example, this one, the first one. We're gonna click on the fourth icon that's next to the star. I'm gonna click on there. And next, while we're here, we're gonna select the first option we have, that's copy. So now the link is copied to our clipboard and you can send it to someone in messages or Instagram or anywhere. You can send them the click to the post on Mastodon that you've selected. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.